Hi, my name is Nathan Bloom, and I am going to teach you how to make funny noises with your hands. Just like in case you're like so bored of your life that, well, yeah, you get the point. Okay, so first you gotta take your left hand. Well, I'm right-handed, as most people probably are, so I'm just gonna take my left hand and I'm gonna put. See, I've got my three fingers right here. I put them in between my my thumb on my left hand. Yeah, so like that, and then I close it down and yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, there's other methods that you can do this too. This is the only one that I know. I got a friend. Well, yeah, it's pretty pointless, but whatever.